Hello. All right, so this week we are doing penny chemistry. Excuse me, I just combined those two words. So what we're gonna do is take our vinegar, salt, and then pennies, and do two little bit of different variations. One where we watch the solution cleanse the pennies, and then kind of watch the reaction when you pull them out of the solution and how it turns into like a blue-green film almost onto the pennies. The chemical reaction between the copper and acetic acid when you pull them out of the solution, the vinegar on the paper towel allows for easier bonding with the copper and the oxygen in the air, and that forms a blue-green color, which is called malachite. I don't know how to say that word, but that's the name of the color. And one of the prime examples that's really well known is the Statue of Liberty. I remember learning about this reaction probably around 4th grade, and I thought it was really cool. The reaction would have happened naturally, but between the exposure to constant oxygen and then rain, just really sped this up in the environment. And then when we place the dirty pennies into the solution of NaCl or table salt and then the acetic acid or vinegar, it dissolves the copper oxide and it leaves the pennies in the solution really clean. And the copper from the copper oxide is left in the acetic acid, NaCl solution as liquid Cu2+ ions, and then when you leave it out, it dries into the solution I just talked about. So I'm just gonna show you the reaction real quick. I've got a handful of pennies down at the bottom. That's all I could find in my house. I never have change. So I'm just gonna set my phone down here so I can get some salt into the bottom. I'm gonna pour a little bit of vinegar into the solution. I'm just gonna watch as it cleans the pennies. Swirl it around a little bit. You can see, I won't show the whole thing because it takes a while, but obviously it's going to cleanse the pennies. I have some that look like they're brand new, so there's just not much to clean. And there's a couple in there that have definitely seen their better days and could sit in here for quite a while. And then, so I'll get a couple of the clean ones out, let them sit out, the air. Alright, again, they're just resting out. They can bond and form that whatever word that I can't say color. And again, I won't show the whole time lapse, but I'm gonna attach pictures to my presentation.